everyone, this GOOFIT full electric wiring harness assembly. Product include one SMTC spark plug, one 4-pin rectifier, one 4-wire ignition key, one ignition coil, and this is a 5-pin CDI unit. And ignition switch. And one solenoid relay. Please use this wiring harness to link all parts together. This product replacement for 50, 70, 90, 110, 125cc quad, dirt bike, ATV, go-kart, Chinese scooters and buggy. These items use high-quality material to make you have a better user experience. They are reliable and durable for long-time use. We also give you a nice keychain. Please scan QR code to follow our GOOFIT Facebook page. Please search foreign links and don't be hesitant to contact us.